Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel Bright Black Bulb. Today's video is all about getting views. In this video, we will be talking about 10 reasons of why you are not getting the views that you want, and I am going to tell you how to fix those mistakes so you can get as much as views as possible. Stay tuned and watch the whole video to find out what these 10 mistakes are so you don't make these mistakes again, because some of them can really hurt your channel. Papa Bulb has done an entire playlist that contains lots of videos that are super helpful if you're a new YouTuber. Make sure to watch them because I shared many tips that will help you grow your channel faster and easier. The link to the playlist is going to be in the description. This channel is all about YouTube growth and YouTube tips. If that is something that interests you, make sure to subscribe and turn your post notification on so you don't miss anything, as I will be uploading more videos. Okay, that's enough. Let's get into today's video. It sucks really bad when you spend hours and hours, or in some cases days, to make very high quality videos and you are sure that it's going to get many views because it is such a good video. But when you release the video, you see that there's very less amount of views than you expected. Now, when this situation happens, you need to know that there are a lot of things happening behind the scene of your videos that most of us are not even aware of it. And these things are for sure causing your videos to get less views. So in this video, I have collected 10 mistakes that are really common and causes you not to get views and causes your videos not to perform at their full potential. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your YouTuber friends so that our family can grow bigger and they can also use this information. Without any further ado, here is 10 common mistakes that causes you not to get the views and their fixes. Number 1 is thumbnails. Now listen, this is the most common reason I have seen, and that is bad thumbnails. Thumbnails are the most important part of your videos, and yet I don't know why many people don't put a lot of effort in making good thumbnails. Think of it this way. The first thing that people see when they want to watch one of your videos is your thumbnail, and if your video is shown in the subscription box, recommended page, suggested section and search, then if you have a bad thumbnail, people are not going to click on your video and you are losing a lot of viewers. Whereas if you have a good thumbnail, many people will click on your video and you will get more views. You need to attract people to your video by your thumbnail. A good thumbnail should have legible text and font all across devices. The pictures need to be bright and have decent amount of contrast. You need to make your thumbnails more colorful and avoid making overcrowded thumbnails. A really good strategy that you can use is to take a look at your recommended page and take a look at the videos that have the most views. Now try to see what is common between all of those successful videos. They usually have text that are easy to read, they have lots of colors in them, and the image is bright. There should be something in those thumbnails that draw people's attention. Another super helpful thing that you can do is to ask your friends that are your thumbnails interesting or not. You can also do an experiment with your thumbnails, create different layouts and see which one are getting more views. Pay close attention to your click-through rate and compare it with your other videos. Click-through rate basically tells you that out of the amount of people that are seeing your thumbnails, how many % of them are clicking to watch your video. Papa Bulb has done an entire video on YouTube algorithm, click-through rate and how to make great thumbnails that actually get you more views, and he even compares 2 of his own thumbnails. The link is going to be in the description and the video will appear on top right now. Number 2 is consistency. I have seen many channels not getting views because of lack of consistency. If you don't have consistency in your upload schedule and the type of content you make, you are giving your audience a very hard time in knowing when are your new videos coming, what are your new videos about, or what is your whole channel about. If you upload based on a very strict schedule, you make it very easy for your audience to know exactly what days are you going to upload your videos and that when they need to look forward to them. Now, if you have no consistency in your content, your audience is going to have no clue of what your videos are about. You need to have a very clear and consistent theme across all your videos, and that way your audience will know why are they subscribing to your channel and what type of content they can expect. This can get you a lot of views and growth because the algorithm loves consistency. Number 3 is videos for audience. You need to make sure your videos are for your audience. Let me explain what I mean. Maybe you have had several videos that did very good and many people loved those videos, and then you suddenly switched the type of content you made or focused on something different that your audience may have not liked. For example, if you used to make gaming videos and then after 6 months, let's say, you have changed the type of video that you made and now you are making makeup videos. If a very large part of your audience is not interested in makeup videos, then your old viewers will not come back to your new videos. So when you are trying to find video idea, you need to make sure the majority of your audience is going to like that video and watch it. And then by having a consistent theme on your videos, you make it more likely that your audience is going to like your videos and there's more chance that they watch your videos. Number 4 is optimization. Your videos may have not been optimized and you are not considering video optimization. Most people upload a video to YouTube and leave that video and expect it to grow, but unfortunately that is not going to bring you views. Video optimization will grow your video on by itself by getting your videos ranked in search, showing them in the recommended page and on the suggested section. So you definitely need to learn how to optimize your videos because it is the fastest way that you can grow your channel. Papa Bob has done a video on how to make YouTube to suggest your videos so you can get all those benefits that we talked about. Be sure to watch that video. The link is going to be in the description and the video will appear on top right now. Number 5 is audience retention. This is another major reason why your videos are not getting views. Audience retention is the most important data that the YouTube algorithm will look at when they want to boost your video. For example, if the first viewers watch a very small part of your video, that really affects your audience retention rate and drops it. A very low audience retention rate tells YouTube that people are not liking this video, so they are not going to boost your video. Whereas if the first 100 people that watch your video watch a very big chunk of your video, that gives your video a very good audience retention and makes the YouTube algorithm to boost your video, which brings you more views. So you need to definitely try to increase your audience retention as high as possible. The very best way to get a high audience retention is to have an organized and structured video, keep the value the whole way through, and cut out all the extra things that your audience don't need to see so they don't get bored. Things like stories or unrelated things or things that are off topic should not be in your videos. That way you can get much higher audience retention. Papa Bulb has done an entire video on how to increase your audience retention rate so that the algorithm will boost your videos. The link is going to be in the description and the video will appear on top right now. Number 6 is promoting. This may be another reason why you are not getting views. A lot of people upload their videos to YouTube and do everything on YouTube to get views, but that is not enough. YouTube has over 2 billion users and Instagram has another 1 billion user, which means that if you are not sharing your videos on any other social media platform such as Facebook, Reddit, Twitter, Instagram, or any other social media platform, you are basically limiting your video from those people there and you're losing many potential viewers. After uploading a video on YouTube, share it on your Instagram story, on Facebook, on Twitter, on Reddit, and any other place that you know. The key here is to promote your video everywhere so that you can get all those people to watch your video. Papa Bulb has done an entire video on 5 ways that you can promote your channel for completely free. Make sure to watch that video so you don't lose any potential viewers. The link is going to be in the description and the video will appear on top right now. Number 7 is value. Your video needs to have value or else your audience is not going to watch your video. The very first question that a viewer asks when they see your video in their subscription box or recommended page is that this video has no value, why should I watch it? If you're looking at your own video and you cannot see value in your own video, then the potential viewers cannot find the value as well. So when you're thinking of video ideas, you need to think as if you are in those potential viewers' shoes and ask yourself, what am I going to get from watching this video? Is there a value in this video? If you cannot answer those questions with confidence, then your videos lack value and you will miss all those potential viewers. So if you want to get views on your videos, then you need to make sure that your video has value that is easily recognizable from the beginning. Papa Wolf has done a video on how to make much better YouTube videos that actually bring you views. Make sure to watch that video. The link is going to be in the description and the video will appear on top right now. Number 8 is lack of quality. When making your videos, lighting and audio quality are the most important things. Your visual and auditory components are really important and are the first things that makes people decide to whether watch your video or not. If people are watching something that is visually appealing to them, they are going to keep watching. Or if your video has super good audio, that is also going to keep people watching. If you have a really bad audio and the lighting of your videos is not good either, then that is going to immediately cause the viewers to stop watching your video. Try your best to get better audio quality either by buying a microphone or doing whatever that you need to do. For the lighting, you can film near a window where you can get some natural light, or you can buy some cheap lights. Number 9 is not engaging with your audience. You need to have super engaged audience because that way you are going to get more comments on your videos, more likes on your videos, and generally more traffic to your videos. The key here is that you need to engage with your audience. That way they will engage with you. You need to do everything that you can to make people comment on your videos. Reply to every single comment that you get. You need to build a bond with your subscribers. Once your subscribers get to better know you and see you as their friends, they are going to engage more on your videos and they are going to watch your videos, so you need to try hard and build up an engaged audience. Number 10 is patience. I have seen many people quit YouTube because of lack of patience. I have seen many people complain that they have uploaded their video a day ago, but they still have 50 views. Let me tell you something, unless you have a massive audience, views are not going to come right away. The snowball effect that everybody talks about can take even years to take effect here on YouTube. Views do not happen overnight and you need to be patient. Never judge your videos and their analytics before 1 month. And I say 1 month because that is how much you need to actually wait to see how is your video performing. Be patient and work harder, and I can tell you for a fact that you will be successful one day. And that brings me to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to share this video with any people you know that might help them. My goal is to help every small YouTuber out there. Make sure to hit that like button and comment down below what you think about this video, or if you know any other reasons. Finally, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon next to it to get notified every single time I upload videos like this. Until next time, peace.